Is this crack? Why is this brown penis sticking out of the earth? Get it be pregnant? Does it have crack? It needs to shave its pubes. Why is it so black? I want crack. Is this crack? No, desolator. Why all these motherfucking hobos do this? Oh god, you stink. You smell like dodo. Oh, I want to get pregnant. Kick rocks. Crack. Where's crack? We must find crack. No, that's a rock. No crack. You got crack? No? Oh, no crack. Let's go on the roof. Crack! Oh, I smell crack. Crack so good. Oh, green, brown dick? No? Oh, yeah? What is that, roach? What is this? No? Oh my god! What is that?
Hey, dude, come over here, man. I just want to get out. Hey. Yeah. Come on. Let me out.
No, I find no crack. This is a jail. All my dead homies in there. Oh, no crack. Tree. What the fuck is a tree? Is it my niggas? Free my niggas! I'll be back soon. Stop yanking on me. I got something else you can yank on. Give me some crack and I'll tell you. No? Oh yeah, keep yanking my neck as I die. F you. You feel me, bro? What's the crack? I just want crack. Give me crack. No crack? F you, I want crack. What kind of dog owner has no crack? Your shoes stink. Is this weed? Oh, I like weed. Weed is a vegetable. I like weed. Dog? Dog? Bacon? No? Grass? Oh yes, this is good. Oh, what is this? Crack? It tastes so good and nutritious. Oh, what is that? Oh, this ground is so wet. Oh god. Hey, get out of my face, bro. Why are you following me? Why are you filming me? Yeah, I'm famous. Yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, what is this? Doodoo? Oh, that's nice. Oh, crack? Weed? Marijuana? Oh god. Oh, come on. Free my niggas. Free my niggas. No? Weed? No weed. This just grass. Why is it just grass? Oh god, no. I can't find the entrance to the weed heaven. Oh god, let's go. Oh, I fall because I'm stupid. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, yeah. Wait, oh, I fall again. Oh yeah. Hey doggy. Hey dog. You a big dog. You want crack? I got crack. Come follow me if you can.
Hey, dude. Dude, come on. Give me some crack, man. Dude, seriously, come on. Dude, I'll suck your penis for some crack. Give me some. Come on, dude. Come on, man.
Oh god, help you guys. I fucking hate you. I don't want you.